Okay, so this got here literally like less than 5 minutes ago, and it is 45 pounds, and so not the lightest thing in the world, but not the heaviest either. And I just want to get it open and see what we got here. So this is my 3D printer, my first 3D printer ever. And it came packaged in the big box, and inside there I have resin. So this is my resin that I purchased with the printer, and so it says polymer resin. I don't know, this stuff's supposed to be water soluble, but I guess I will find out. So anyway, I have those, and this is the orange 4K. So that is inside this box. All right, so I have this here, and okay. I also have some more resin. So I've got extra resin. This says 3D resin. I do not know what these are. These are the smaller bottles, so 500 grams. So part of the thing about the delay and the shipping was they gave everybody who was part of the Kickstarter or pre-orders, they gave you some extra resin for the delay. So anyway, that's everything out of the box. And this is the orange 4K box. It's pretty small. I thought it was going to be bigger, but we will see how it goes. Try not to cut too far, because I do not know what is inside here. So, and let me check real quick, make sure you can actually see that. Okay, we can't really see the top, so I will. Okay, we got filters for draining the resin back in. We have instructions. Oh no, these are the printer, what do you call them? I'm a noob at this, never done this before, so it's those clear sheets that go over your display. Not sure what those are called. I'll have to know that before too long. All right, so comes with a plastic piece on top, styrofoam, whatever. And I am okay. And then I take this out, and it has a box. That's the box cover, the printer cover. And so that is it. That's longer, and looks like it's in good shape. So I will set that off to the side. Pull out the other stuff here, and all right, so we have another piece here, which inside here has a putty knife. Pretty neat. All right, and these look like your vat tray tie down thingies, possibly. Power cord with US power, and the power block that you plug it into, AC adapter, and I guess that's a vat cover tray, and a little plastic scraper, and then some gloves, looks like some tissue paper, USB thumbnail drive, some Allen wrenches, maybe this tissue paper, I don't know if that's for leveling or if it's for cleaning. I guess we'll figure it out. And then this is our build plate. which comes in here, and that looks pretty small. So I knew it was small, but I wanted really good resolution, so we'll see how it goes. And this is angled, so I guess when it dips into the vat of resin, it's supposed to run back off into the vat, and we'll see how that goes. And that looks like everything off of this one. All right, now the real part of getting the printer out. So, here is the printer, and it looks like everything is out of there. So, alright, looks like it's well packaged, protective wrapping on it and everything. Got dropped off at the front door. Didn't look like the guy bounced it off the ground, so everything should be good. This is my first printer that I got, and I wanted to wait until 3D printing, you have like really good resin detail and everything. And so this one I think is the one that's going to have that detail I'm looking for. Now it's really small, so I'm going to have to see how it works as far as getting the prints that I want. It's got the 3 rails on here, so that should be making it stable. Seems like it's built heavy duty. That is heavy, that's good. And this one is the plastic resin tray. I ordered a metal one. Yeah, this one's plastic. I ordered the metal one. Apparently it's on back order and hasn't come in yet, or they're shipping them separately because they wanted to get it out to me. And we will see how it goes. Now, I guess you could just leave this on and put it over the top, but that goes that way, and it looks like it fits on there. I'm gonna have to figure out how to get this off. There we go. Well, how does it come off? I don't know how they got it wrapped on here. Guess I'm just gonna tear it off. But anyway, it looks like it's going to be a good printer. Gonna have to try it out, see how it goes. I know nothing about doing printing, so that's going to be interesting to try to figure it out. And I guess you can see what I got. And let's see, if I remember correctly, this one is the, what does it say here? This is the 4K color is what this one says. All right, so the 4K color is what I ordered, and then I ordered the mono upgrade. So the mono upgrade is going to, I guess, get sent separately, so we'll see how that goes. I'm gonna have to check up with them to make sure, because you can order the color one and then you're supposed to be able to upgrade it to the mono. So I've got the mono, but the box says it's the 4K color, so we'll see how that goes. All right, so here is the box and the printer. So I will check it out and see how it goes. Thanks for watching, and just wanted to quickly show you what I got, and I'll try to figure out how to use it. Thanks.